Alright, here's a schedule on what's coming up and what's new on the new Pokemon series. Just for a reminder, folks, I've been taking my master designs for a really long time, and well, sooner or later, I'm gonna work on this script for my opening title. And well, I don't know exactly how to do this exactly, but I should promise you this. I promise it'll come real soon, just for the sake of your entertainment. Anyways, my program is a design class for people of all ages, not just kids. Anyone can join the party, including my friends and family. My cousin Thomas, my cousin Nikki, my uncle Paul, including all my friends, Nick, Tyler, Eddie Gallant, let's see, what else? Oh yeah, and there's Ava. Wherever you are, I miss you. Okay, and what else? What else? Oh yeah, there's also this series of games coming out real soon. There's gonna be this new Pokemon game called Scarlet and Violet. I really don't know why they called it that, but that is a really odd way to call it by a game. Anyways, my buddy Ty came up with a better name for the game. It's called Past and Future. And well, to be honest, that show was, I think his idea is way better than um Scarlet and Violet. Did you and remember when I told you about Legends Arceus? Well, there's gonna be this new game called Legends Celebi. I really don't know why they decided to add an extra game to the series. Do you think it's because Legends Celebi might be a new evolved form for the brings. Okay, let me just start fresh. And do you think that maybe that the Johto region has its own past as well? Well, if it does, well, I'd be interested in that. And when I found out that Celebi is gonna have a new game, there might have a few theories. For one, there might be some new Hisuian forms for the Pokemon. My guess would be Crawdaunt. Let's see. My second option would be Clawitzer, Claydol, and perhaps Parathorn. And I guess Elgium and Behem and Dugtrio. I mean, Dotrio would have their own forms. If Castform had a new form, that'd be interesting. But mostly because I think that Celebi will have a new form in the new game. I don't know what it'll look like, though, but I assume it'll be a new game changer for the new series. I mean, Pokemon is this close to getting 1,000 subscribers. I mean, 1,000 Pokemon by the minute. Anyways, just to keep in touch with the new games that are coming out and the new updates that are coming soon. As for me, I too am evolving over the years. I will be adding new characters, you know, from shows we saw in the past. And that includes new episodes of Dragon Ball Super. Let's see, new Pokemon games, new Digimon, and a few other characters that I know about, like Middlemost Post and technically Sanjay and Craig, breadwinners, and a bunch of others. And, well, I really kind of miss the old shows, like Thumb Wrestling Federation. I hope they bring that show back. And all credit for that one goes out to the Licky Library. If you guys have any new information on what characters you want me to draw up next, I've taken your requests, and, well, some of you haven't responded. And I want to know what you guys think about the characters that I drew for you guys, like Volcanic Dramon, the Artiguana, Ball Weevil, and I guess, what else? Shogun King? Oh yeah, Red Rubius. Subscribe to that. You guys should be well concerned about what new characters are going to come back in the line. And, well, I'm still waiting for Pokemon Master Journeys to have new episodes. And I want to see if Pokemon Home will include the new Legends Arceus app. And let's see, what else would I like to comment about? Let's see, what else? I'm still waiting for Camp Cretaceous to have new characters as well. Oh yeah, and I'm still going to continue on drawing Mixels. Let's see. I have my photo gallery up, and I have my list of characters up on... Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Stay tuned in the Nintendo eShop. There's gonna be. Oh yeah, I just heard that Android 21 has come back in a new form in Dragon Ball FighterZ, and well, technically this is her lab coat form. Technically, it's not really a form; it's just a costume. It's just a suit design. I don't know why they added Android 21's costume form into the series, but I guess for a reason. My reason is to, since Android 21 is the main villain in Dragon Ball FighterZ, I guess they decided to give her a new form in celebration for Dragon Ball FighterZ coming out. And since the expansion pass for Dragon Ball FighterZ has been released, starting with Android 21, my theory is that there's going to be more fighters coming out as well. I guess the first one would be Super Android 17. Next up would be Vegeta as Super Saiyan Blue, Super Saiyan Evolved, or as I like to call it, Super Saiyan Royal Blue, or at least Super Saiyan Sapphire. My third option would be Top the Destroyer. And finally, Omega Shenron. Yeah, that guy. Can't be complete without him. I mean, the main bosses are all what we need for the series to continue on. And what about the characters from Super Dragon Ball Heroes, like Hearts or Fu? We want to include those guys as well. And there's one thing I want to be concerned about. Do you think they'll ever include Super Saiyan Rage Trunks? I want them to include that guy as well. And a lot of new stuff is coming out this year. And in a few days, I might take my progress outside when it gets warmer. Anyhow, I'm proud. That's how you... I'm proud you all got to see me show off my updates about what's coming in store for you guys. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Oh yeah, and well, I had a New Year's resolution to get my subscriber limit to more than just 100. I want to get my subscriber limit to 1,000. I'm going to make sure my series gets the best updates known to channel. And well, I've been taking some advice, and I hope that advice I've been taking really works. I've been taking some good advice from my buddies Nick Nicholson, and well, I think it's working just fine. And well, I hope that this advice will help me get more subscribers and more viewers real soon. Anyways, I'm proud you all got to see me enjoy this I'm proud you all got to enjoy this update. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.